Picture this: a lush, vibrant Earth, teeming with colossal creatures, tyrannosaurs hunting in fern-filled forests, long-necked sauropods grazing peacefully by vast lakes. This was our planet 66 million years ago. It was the age of the dinosaurs, a reign that had lasted for over 150 million years. They were the undisputed kings of the world, masters of their domain. It seemed like nothing could ever challenge their rule. But high above, into the silent, cold expanse of space, something was hurling towards Earth. A celestial traveler, an asteroid nearly the size of a city, was on a collision course with destiny. This wasn't just any rock. It was a 6-mile-wide behemoth, packed with unimaginable kinetic energy, traveling at speeds we can barely comprehend. As it pierced our atmosphere, it would have blazed brighter than 1,000 suns, a horrifying, beautiful streak across the prehistoric sky. For the dinosaurs below, it would have been the last thing they ever saw. The moment of impact was cataclysmic. In a fraction of a second, the asteroid slammed into the shallow waters of what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The explosion was unlike anything Earth had ever experienced before or since. It was a blast so powerful, it makes our most destructive modern weapons look like firecrackers. The energy release was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs going off at once. A blinding flash of light and heat vaporized everything for hundreds of miles in an instant. The impact carved out a crater over 100 miles wide and 12 miles deep, now known as the Chicxulub crater. This initial blast triggered a chain reaction of global devastation. It sent a shockwave rippling through the planet's crust, creating earthquakes so massive they would register off any modern scale. Gigantic tsunamis, some reaching miles high, radiated outwards from the impact site, scouring coastlines thousands of miles away. But the immediate destruction was just the beginning. The real killer was what came next. The impact threw trillions of tons of vaporized rock, dust, and sulfur into the atmosphere. This dense cloud of debris spread rapidly, enveloping the entire planet in a thick, dark shroud. Sunlight, the very source of life on Earth, was blocked out. The world was plunged into a dark, freezing impact winter that would last for years. Photosynthesis ground to a halt. Plants withered and died, and with them, the plant-eating dinosaurs starved. This collapse of the food chain quickly moved upwards, leading to the extinction of the carnivorous dinosaurs that preyed on them. In this dark, cold new world, only the adaptable survived, while the colossal dinosaurs vanished. Smaller, more versatile creatures found a way. Our own ancestors, small shoe-like mammals, were able to burrow and find scarce food, weathering the long winter. When the dust finally settled and the sun returned, the world was forever changed. The age of dinosaurs was over, and the age of mammals was about to begin. The greatest explosion in Earth's history wasn't just an end. It was a violent, dramatic, new beginning that ultimately paved the way for us. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey back in time.